Hey guys, today, let's learn how to use AI image generation on Canva. So if you want to go ahead and use the new AI image generator onto Canva application. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Canva application, and then what I want you to do is to go ahead and just launch your preferred template that you guys would like to go ahead and use. So in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this sample template to use for this specific example, and I want to go ahead and tap on this cube box option over here, and that's gonna show us the pages. But what I want to specifically do is select this specific page, and they want to go ahead and basically tap on this plus icon. What that is gonna show us is, of course, these options. And what I want to do is to choose the option to add our own AI image generated photo. So you can tap on photos over here, and that's gonna show us, of course, these different photos that we could choose from. And we could actually go to tap on draw as well. Some apps over here, you could actually choose your apps. If you have some apps, or if you have some other apps that you would like to get from, you could also do that as well. But one of the best AI image generations application that we could actually use on here is something called Mojo AI. So let's go ahead and tap on Mojo AI, and as you see, we have this is an AA art and QR art generator. Tap on open, and that's automatically gonna be linked to your Canva application. Once this is done, could actually now proceed with using this over on Canva and creating your own image generated using AI on Canva. So from here, all we need to do is just type in the prompt or our ideas. So let's see, want a like on a mountain, tap on done. Let's choose vision art, and let's tap on just create masterpiece. In this case, we do need to go ahead and choose our art style first. Choose your aspect ratio next, and we need to go ahead and register first to get 75 credits to create this specific AI art. What you need to do is just tap on register and go ahead and enter your details. Connect with your specific account. But essentially, that's what you guys need to know in order for you guys to use the AI image generator option on Canva. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something on the next video, and I'll see you guys